This video will demonstrate how a teacher can help their student or students recover a lost FOXstudent wireless or FOXC6.org Google account password. To recover a lost Wi-Fi or Google password, there are 3 steps teachers can take. First, a teacher will confirm the password by trying to log the student into the student password utility. If that doesn't work, the teacher will try to reset the password using the student password utility's forgotten password feature. Finally, if the student is unable to utilize the forgotten password feature to reset his or her password, the teacher will submit a tech request to have the student password reset. The first thing teachers will need to do is direct the student to the student password utility. The student password utility is available on the Fox network from any teacher or student computer that is currently logged into the network. Teachers can access the student password utility by going to http://student-pass-util. Once the teacher and student have made it to the student password utility, we'll begin by trying to log the student in with what they think their username and password is. For accessing the student password utility, we'll type last name, a period, and the first 4 digits of the student's lunch code. We will not add @foxc6.org to this. It will simply be the last name dot first 4 of the lunch pin. Next, the student will type in whatever they think their current password is and hit login. If their password is correct, they will be taken to the change password screen, in which case no further action is needed. Assuming the student does not have the correct password, like we see in this example, with the red error message, the username or password is not valid, we will click at the bottom of the screen to select Forgotten Password. Next, the student will be prompted to enter their username and click Search. Once the username is found, if the student set up password recovery questions when he or she set up his Wi-Fi and Google account, they'll be prompted to answer 3 questions, their last name and 2 of their 3 password recovery questions. If the student answers them correctly, they will be prompted to set up a new password. If the student does not answer them correctly, they can try to re-answer their questions. If the student is unable to answer the questions, the last step in resetting this password is for the teacher to submit a tech request to the Technology Help Desk. Teachers can access the Fox C6 School District Technology Help Desk by going to support.fox.k12.mo.us. Once they're here, the teacher can sign in using their district email and password. For subject, please type reset student password and whatever the username that needs to be reset is. Retype that same text in the message and fill out the rest of the information. The category you will need is called Student Accounts. Once you're finished, send the message and the password will be reset and you will be notified of the reset password. This has been JP Presavento, Fox C6 EdTech Coordinator, demonstrating how a teacher can help a student who has forgotten his or her Wi-Fi or Google password.